Tectonic burning is going to explode the price of Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic, all it needs right now is burn. If you take a look at Terra Classic, the burning of Terra Classic actually pushed the price of Terra Classic, and now Terra Classic is ranked among the top 32 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now, Tectonic is a very good coin. Tectonic have actually done well when they started, but Tectonic currently have trillions of coins in circulation. Now, if Tectonic can start a burning that will explode Tectonic, then believe it, Tectonic is going to delete between 1 to 3 zeros. I believe that no matter what the developers are doing right now, what Tectonic needs right now is burning. Tectonic need to burn their coins. Okay, now, even though apart from burning, believe if holders can also stake their Tectonic token, of course, Tectonic, for example, if I decide to stake 100 million coins or 1 billion coins of Tectonic token, it simply means that 1 billion coins will be removed out of the circulating supply. Okay, although Tectonic itself actually talked about the staking of Tectonic, which is good, but one thing you need to understand is crypto.com. Yes, you can stake Tectonic on crypto.com, but Tectonic community is not that large like when you want to compare it to Shiba Inu, to Dogecoin, to Terra Classic. Okay, so the number of people that might be staking their Tectonic token might not be much, but Tectonic needs to burn. The burning of Tectonic is what we really the developer needs to work on, because if Tectonic can burn trillions of coins, then people might start getting interest on Tectonic token. Right now, crypto.com are trying their best. That is, we're happy that they actually listed Tectonic token. Now you can buy Tectonic on crypto.com. Yeah, but for me, I think crypto.com, they're actually going to do their best, and they'll be trying their best even to push their own local coin CRO. But since Tectonic is being hosted on crypto.com, and Tectonic is also listed there, and it's also listed on VVS Finance, I believe Tectonic gradually is going to really pump in the future. Tectonic is a crypto coin for the future. To me, it's not a coin that can really bring profit right now, but it's a coin for the future, and I believe that those that will be investing, that will be buying Tectonic token, will actually make some good profit with Tectonic. Well, for me, Tectonic still remain one of the best small cap, because when you take a look at Tectonic, the journey right now, Tectonic have actually done well, but Tectonic still need a whole lot to do, and I believe they were going to do their homework well, so that next year, 2023, will be the year of Tectonic. Now, many coins this year have had since January till this September, many crypto coins have actually not been doing well because of the crypto fall, but I believe that this might even continue till the end of the year. But 2023, we are expecting 2023 to be a positive year for crypto industry. We are expecting 2023 to be a year many people are actually going to make good money in crypto industry. Now, remember, every year there are coins that are always pump over 10,000%. There are coins that always make people millionaire. When you take a look at Shiba Inu, at the Shiba Inu in 2020 and 2021, so many people became real Shiba Inu. Apecoin also did well. And then you talk coins about even Bitcoin also. I believe this can really pump well as of last year. Then we talk about Solana. Solana also did well from 2020 down to 2021. And when you take a look at this year, you will discover that this year there are also some coins that have actually pumped. Apecoin really pumped this year, and there are some other crypto coins that also really increase in price. So we believe next year there are so many other coins that is going to really pump, and I believe that Tectonic is going to be one of them. But it all depends on what the developers are going to offer for its community, for the crypto industry comes 2023. Well, let's keep hoping for the price to go well. Let's keep hoping for the burning for Tectonic to really burn at least a lot of coin in order to help push the price of Tectonic. Once again, remember this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.